The coach with the king, the princess, and my master will be here soon. I have to wake up the ogre right away. I don't think we would wake him up this way. Let's try something else.
What? Who woke me up? What are you doing here, cat? How dare you disturb me?
I have heard that you are a master of magic and can turn into any animal. Is that true?
That's true indeed. I can prove it if you have any doubt.
I would like to see. Can you do it? Shh. If we ask the ogre to turn into a mouse right away, he would guess that we're going to cheat him. Turn into a lion, please.
No problem.
Whoa! How scary! Enough! I believe you! I really believe you now!
Well, did I prove how great I am?
Indeed, indeed. But if I ask you to turn into a tiny mouse, I bet you'll not be able to do it.
That's so easy. Watch me.
Help me catch this mouse before it turns into an ogre again. Hooray! Now my master owns this castle. I'm smart and handsome. I'm the one and only Puss in Boots.